Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing my Play by Sephora unboxing. I have no idea what's in this box, so we are going to be opening this box together. Let me know if you're subscribed to Play by Sephora. Sephora down in the comment section below. Also, if you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe. I do upload 3 times a week, Mondays, Thursdays, and Saturdays, so definitely subscribe so you don't miss out. And yeah, let's just go ahead and jump right in. I did receive my box a few days ago, and lately I've been doing the unboxings with you guys. I don't know what's in this box. I don't find a lot of people being subscribed to the Play by Sephora box. This is a $10 monthly subscription box, and you get 4 to 5 makeup or beauty sample sizes to try out, and then that way it really lets you see if you want to pick up a full size. And I can't open this. I always struggle with these boxes. So this looks like it's a hero type of box. You always get a pamphlet. You do get this like little card here that you are now able to redeem online. I was never able to redeem my 50 beauty extra beauty insider points because you could only redeem them in store, and since I don't have a Sephora near me, I was always just throwing it away. But now you're able to. It does come with a code, so you are able to redeem it, so that is nice. And I'm not gonna see what's in here just so I can just check out my little bag. So here are all the products you got. I love this month's bag. It's super pretty. I really like the green. We used to always get red, but last month we got, I think we've gotten like an orange, and we've also gotten a purple, and this one we're getting green, which is nice. Okay, so first product I'm pulling here, this is the Laura Mercier Caviar Volume Panoramic Mascara, and here is what it looks like. Well, the packaging anyways. I don't really want to open it because once you start opening mascaras, like I feel like their expiration starts from there. But I'll put a picture of the wand on the screen, and yeah, we are definitely going to test this out. Next up in here is this Buxom Full Lip Cream in the shade Hot Toddy, and this is definitely a shade that I could use. It looks like a wearable color. Ooh, yeah. It's a pretty, like, these smell super nice too. This smells like cotton candy. Yum. I don't have a lot of Buxom lip polishes, so the next thing I pulled out from the bag is this Caviar Anti-Aging Smoothing Anti-Frizz Blowout Butter. It protects and perfects medium to thick hair. How is a hair product anti-aging? But here is what this looks like. It's a really big like sample size, and it's super cute. The packaging is cute. Next up is this Ren Clear Skin Global Protection Day Cream. I've never tried this brand, and I don't really hear a lot of people talk about this brand either, so whoops. Next up is this Clinique Moisture Surge. It's a 72-hour auto-replenishing hydrator, and this is a pretty big size as well. I've never tried this either, so this will be nice to test out. And then the last product we got is this Glam Glow Super Toner. It's an exfoliating acid solution. Interesting. Look, it looks like charcoal a little bit. It's really watery as well. And it's super liquidy. So let's go ahead and read about this product, because this is something that I've never really heard about. So this month, your box is your beauty sidekicks. Every superhero needs a sidekick, and this month you get 6. Ooh, we got 6. I didn't even think of that. Usually you get 4 to 5 plus like a perfume sample, but we got 6. From killer strands to glowing skin, your new beauty will make you feel like you have superpowers. Okay, so this Glam Glow, the name says it all. The super toner has the power to help exfoliate, purify, and clarify your complexion. Shake to activate the charcoal, acids, and clay. Then sweep over, clean, dry skin. Start by using it twice a week and build it up to every night. Yeah. So this is pretty much like the only thing I'm really kind of like, oh, this is interesting, you know? So this month's box was okay, not bad. I feel like the sample sizes are actually really good sizes. The mascara is like standard. This is nice, but these two like skincare products are actually really nice, and I've actually kind of been wanting to try this out. Still smell this. It smells like, if you guys have smelt the Jeffree Star Cosmetics powder, you know how it smells like cotton candy? This smells just like it. It smells so good. Oh my gosh. I wonder if it tastes as good as it smells. But anyways, those are all the products I got in this month's Sephora Play box. What did you get? Do you have Play by Sephora? If not, definitely check out a link. It will be linked down below so you can sign up. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Please also subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye!